Welcome to 2341 South Gordon in Barrington Estates. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home sits on an oversized north-south corner lot with an extended driveway and a welcoming front porch. Inside, you'll find a bright, great room floor plan with fresh interior paint, durable luxury vinyl plank, and thoughtful details like updated fixtures, 2-inch blinds, and pre-wired surround sound. The kitchen is equipped with maple cabinets featuring crown molding and hardware, a pantry for added storage, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious owner's suite features crown molding and a walk-in closet, along with an updated ensuite bath complete with new fixtures, mirror, and faucet. Step outside to an extended covered patio that opens to a low-maintenance backyard, ideal for relaxing or entertaining with ease. This home is clean, move-in ready, and ideally located just minutes from the US 60 and Loop 202, with plenty of shopping and dining options nearby. Don't miss your chance to call this Barrington Estates gem home.